in a search of at a price. So you got a free price. What about the here? A steering wheel. Ooh, surgery procedures are either paralyzed. There it is. How there's a different case. The precious metals. Pretty face. What else to be paid? The food and stickers. The price. Is it just enough? Or do you need something else to yourself? The disky quiz of the price. Or the need in a kite. What about the channel says? Where could it be used of the knife here? The knife. This might be useful as a price. Whatever to make a knife so useful of properties because and the skinware, wherever you is needed, it is here and it is sleeve. Alright, we need a privacy chair, guys. This will work extremely like this. And the there it is. So call it the battery and move it into transition. We are after the batteries. That wasn't a bad. I know. So more about the surgery procedures and they use a different kind of tools. This gotta be useful. There is a flood of the war which can be in use going on. So to find it out to put them all the central database at once might be needed. So the upfront to play the crew after this, you needed the pockets to the kind of the price. So the pressure the plot is different. In a mid-on operator, different kind of the springs can absolutely be useful. Use it as a clerics or what else it is. They made it of the wrapper, ensuring that they are fiber elastic and cause all the fresh shape and form in all. That is a curtain what is needed. There is a plate of the more what is coming to mind. And if you have a bit of soda, it comes in the price. They can help you, but they cannot be just as said longer. And today is just supposed to be with you. So, it starting from somewhere procedures. This might be useful as sucking of the different liquids of the forms. And you put it here inside this liquid, squeeze it there off. Might be very useful if this is the parking and interval a couple. So that's this kind of the choice. And what about the more kind of the fibrillation? To say after using a knife and it is the fibrillation. So this is something else to come up with some good solution to the microscope. Find out the microscope it is a better time and find it out. It's a very kind of the microscopes. I use it as a microscope. It's just basically to bright light needed. Says there is still plenty of more of its own kind, but this is the very good start from it to the page. Should you find it one few very flat of this? What about this locker quiz issues? I'll type. There's never enough to type to operate it in the simple lights. And the price, camera, status loses, measure, but nothing too visible to certain to be bigger procedures. But what about the here cabinet catch it up at them all? Are you ready yourself? Do you get painkillers? Is it the prosecutors there? It's the now none of the good now in the currently to say it. To make it if they're sure it goes. And it's getting a little bit harder. Alright, try. So what if the time was wasted again? After this time schedule is not well understood and none of the properties what is it really needed is all is going down. So weather should be administrated there and the cold, ice, snow might be here for the property but might be actually it be one of the useful elements of the search procedures itself. So with the cabin more you can administer more there. And a kind of the test issues is a plug-in blood vessels to the sodium price. So we don't having to make an extremely amount of work. The kind of the so what about this squeezing of the one kind of the issues? This is the big stupid mistake to be one can take and make it. There is definitely not any reason at all. What about the here? A lot of excuses. There is no really good reason to come with this. Just drop him all of the stuff in all the catcher. All the catcher in just one places. So there's no uses. Alright, true enough. I can easily get rid of this all. What they need in a way to generalize to the chair around. There's no use for any of the stuff. There's to squeeze them up to the very small pillows and what else. But not to here going around. Alright, is it now good? Is there something still going on? Or is it still taking of its own hit? Alright, we need more clerics. And here we have them. So what is it to take it around here to stop? They're putting it around there. Is the stuff they needed. And there's never enough kind of lights to this. So take everything at the place to say. Alright, you have got to show the basics. Is there anything still useful? What is useful? This forest food, more clerics, everything's good. What about this film? I don't think so. Remember, it's an antibacterial properties. Cover guns, and it's using it against time. If the clerics fail, unless there's something to be working on. Alright, when the things are very well understood, then it's time to move in ahead to step up game and execute the needed thing. Execution is here all what is it all about. Like everything in the world. And using heavy tunnels and accommodators is one of the point in phase. And making it one of the kind of the work here elements. What about the little engine here? Made it with the magnetics and the frequencies. So now it can heavy massive dust and all the other properties when you are slicing of the paper rice. Exactly a correction. So what about the other batteries? During the years, these batteries are losing their electric properties and they are lesser themselves. Now it's a big security mistake there. It can be handled like anything else can be handled. Justifies. Alright, what is it that you say can handle it? Alright, I show it after the says it can handle it. Just like anything else in the world, we don't need to must make a question asking it. Just alright, go ahead and step on her game. And there it is. It will terrorize again. Alright, it's a little bit hard. What about here? Using granite soil might be not here come and useful of this in all. So let's see. Time is running off. We don't know how much time there is left. But one thing is sure, if there's anything to be done, it is certain will. And when it comes to certain to be will, it's needed to now to find out to all the elements. Alright. Put it back everything there. That was good, I would say. That was very good. There's no need anymore to displace through the issues without any viruses. So we have it the second times all of the patient. None of them were good.